So, magandang gabi. Javi back again with another topic para sa video ito. So, as you can see sa ating title, SMNI hosts go on a hunger strike to protest House detention. Ayan, December 7, 2023, 5:15 p.m. released by PhilStarPhilippines.com. Ayan, Manila, Philippines, SMNI anchors Lorraine Badoy and Jeffrey Celis announced on Wednesday that they have initiated a hunger strike, ayan, to protest their current detention at the House of Representatives. Ayan, so na-detain sila sa Kamara. Yan ay malalaman natin sa video ito. Ayan. I am joining ka Eric in a hunger strike to protest yesterday's travesty that was a direct offshoot of the infiltration of the CPP, NPA, NDF inside Congress, and to also hold those in power accountable to the Filipino people. Badoy said in a statement posted on Facebook by SMNI lawyer Mark Tolentino. Ayan. So, talagang inamin nila na nagkaisa sila para sa hunger strike. Ayan. Both Badoy and Celis remain under medical supervision according to House Secretary Reginald Velasco. Ayan. The House Legislative Franchise Panel cited the two SMNI anchors in contempt during a hearing into possible franchise violations by the television network, ayan, which has been accused of airing disinformation against our House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Ayan, so maaaring magresulta ito sa violation ng kanilang network dahil sa pag-i-spread nila ng disinformation. Ayan. At ako, lawmakers moved to cite Celis in contempt after he refused to disclose the identity of his source of Romualdez supposed 1.8 billion travel expenses. Ayan, grabe, apakalaki nito. An allegation that he and Badoy relayed on their show Laban Kasama ang Bayan on SMNI. Ayan na, pauna naman talagang iginiit ng Kamara na wala naman talagang katotohanan itong 1.8 billion travel expenses na ito. And according naman sa balita na wala naman talagang katotohanan itong 1.8 billion travel expenses na talagang paratang nila kay House Speaker Martin Romualdez na kinaresulta ng kanilang pagkaka-detention sa Kamara na hinihingan sila ng information kung kanino galing yung source na sinasabi nilang 1.8 billion travel expenses. Ayan. Meanwhile, Badoy was cited in contempt for flip-flopping on the information she provided the panel regarding the network's advertising. So ayun na nga, wala talagang binigay si Badoy about sa source, kung sino ang nagbigay ng source about sa 1.8 billion travel expenses. Ayan. Badoy and Celis may spend the holidays in detention as the House is set to go on a break from December 16 to January 21. So ayun, ito yung malungkot na hindi mo maintindihan na nakakatawa kasi bago dapat nila ginawa yung ganong action na sana inisip naman nila na magpapasko sila sa kulungan. Leaving the lower chamber just 3 days to approve from committee report on their inquiry into SMNI without the adoption of the committee report. Badoy and Celis cannot be released. Ayan. So, talagang magpapasko sila sa kulungan. Ilang araw na lang. Ngayon ay December 8. 8 days na lang magsasarado muna ang Kamara. Ayan. So, Facebook and Twitter accounts bearing the Laban Kasama ang Bayan name have also called on the public to join Badoy and Celis nightly hunger strike. So ayun, patuloy pa din yung pagkakaroon nila ng hunger strike na sana'y makalaya si Badoy and si Celis kasi naman daw ay magpapasko. So sana naman inisip nila na magpapasko, hindi sila gumawa ng ganito. Kung matalino naman sila, gamitin lang nila ng tama yung pagiging nilang matalino. Ayan. So, grabe yung fake news na inilatag nila dito na siguro kung tayo magbibigay ng akusasyon, dapat meron tayo syempre ebidensya na patungkol dito sa inilahad nilang information na galing sa source na hindi naman nila maibigay kung kanino ba ito galing. Ayan. So, hanggang dito na lang ang ating video. Maraming salamat sa pag-standby dito sa ating reaction about sa SMNI host go on a hunger strike to protest house detention fake news source na 1.8 billion travel expenses. So, ayun, maraming salamat and mag-iingat tayo palagi. And